Discover endless inspiration, woodworking projects and plans for every skill level. If you're someone who loves working with their hands and creating tangible, long-lasting items, then woodworking might be the perfect hobby for you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there are endless woodworking projects and plans out there that can help you create something beautiful and unique. From cozy home, decor, to functional furniture pieces, the possibilities are truly endless. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the best woodworking projects and plans for every skill level. Whether you're just starting out and looking for some simple projects to practice your skills, or you're an experienced woodworker looking for a new challenge, we've got you covered. We'll be discussing everything from basic woodworking techniques and tools to more advanced projects and styles. Not only is woodworking a fulfilling and enjoyable hobby, but it's also a great way to add some personalized and unique pieces to your home decor. Plus, with so many different styles and projects to choose from, there's always something new to learn and create. So, 1. Find inspiration for your next project. Discovering inspiration for your next woodworking project can be challenging at times. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, finding new and exciting projects can help you develop your skills and keep your passion for woodworking alive. Fortunately, there are many resources available to help you find inspiration for your next woodworking project. Online woodworking communities and forums, woodworking magazines, and even social media platforms can all be great sources of inspiration. With so many resources available, it's never been easier to find exciting new woodworking projects and plans that are perfect for your skill level and interests. So, take some time to explore these resources and discover endless inspiration for your next woodworking project. 2. Choose from a variety of plans. When it comes to woodworking, there are endless possibilities for what you can create. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's always room to grow your skills and take on new challenges. That's why it's essential to have access to a variety of plans to choose from. With a diverse selection of woodworking projects, you can find inspiration for your next creation and challenge yourself to try new techniques. At Discover Endless Inspiration, we offer plans for every skill level, from beginner to advanced. With our extensive selection, you can find the perfect plan to fit your needs and take your woodworking skills to the next level. 3. Beginner projects for new woodworkers. Are you a new woodworker looking for beginner projects to hone your skills? Look no further than these 3 easy-to-follow woodworking plans. First up, a simple cutting board. This project will teach you the basics of cutting, gluing, and finishing while creating a useful kitchen tool. Second, try your hand at building a birdhouse. This project will introduce you to measuring, cutting, and assembly while also providing a fun outdoor decoration. Lastly, build a wooden box for storage or as a gift. This project will teach you how to create a box with a lid using techniques such as cutting a rabbet joint and attaching hinges. Don't be intimidated by woodworking. Start with these beginner projects, and you'll be on your way to creating beautiful pieces in no time. 4. Intermediate projects for experienced builders. For experienced builders looking to take their skills to the next level, intermediate woodworking projects offer exciting challenges and opportunities for creativity. These projects require a higher degree of technical proficiency and attention to detail, but the end result is often a stunning, functional piece of furniture or decor that can be proudly displayed for years to come. Intermediate projects may include advanced joinery techniques, curved or angled cuts, and intricate design elements. Examples of intermediate-level projects could include building a coffee table with a hidden storage compartment, constructing a bookcase with adjustable shelving, or crafting a wooden rocking chair with a curved backrest. These types of projects require patience, precision, and a thorough understanding of woodworking principles, making them ideal for experienced builders looking to expand their skill set and tackle more complex projects. 5. Advanced projects for skilled craftsmen. For skilled craftsmen looking for a challenge, advanced woodworking projects offer a chance to showcase their expertise and creativity. These projects require a high level of precision and attention to detail, as well as a deep understanding of woodworking techniques and materials. One example of an advanced project is the creation of a hand-carved wooden chair using traditional joinery methods. This involves intricate carving work and precision cuts to create joints that fit perfectly together. Discover endless inspiration. Woodworking projects and plans for every skill level provide step-by-step instructions for each project, making it easy for both beginners and experienced woodworkers to complete the projects with confidence. Detailed instructions and diagrams are provided for each step of the process, from choosing the right materials to cutting, sanding, and finishing the final product. Whether you are interested in building a simple picture frame or a more complex bookshelf, this guide provides the knowledge and guidance needed to complete each project successfully. Additionally, each project is accompanied by high-quality images of the finished product, providing inspiration and motivation for woodworkers of all skill levels. With clear instructions, detailed diagrams, and inspiring images, this guide is the perfect resource for anyone looking to explore the world of woodworking and complete beautiful and functional projects. 7. Detailed materials and tool lists. In woodworking, the right tools and materials can make a significant difference in the quality and outcome of your project. That's why it's crucial to provide detailed material and tool lists for every woodworking project. This information helps woodworkers plan and prepare accordingly, ensuring they have all the necessary equipment and materials before starting. Our woodworking projects and plans offer comprehensive lists of all the materials and tools needed for each project, so you never have to worry about missing a key component or not having the right tools on hand. With our detailed materials and tool lists, you can save time and money by avoiding unnecessary trips to the hardware store and ensuring that your woodworking projects turn out exactly how you envision them. 8. Tips for working with wood. Whether you're a beginner in woodworking or a seasoned pro, there are tips that can help you with your projects. Here are 8 helpful tips for working with wood that can make your woodworking projects more enjoyable and successful. First, choose the right wood for your project based on its intended use and your skill level. Second, measure twice and cut once to avoid mistakes. Third, use sharp tools and maintain them regularly for consistent results. Fourth, understand the different types of joints and how to create them for strong and stable connections. Fifth, use clamps to hold pieces together while gluing or drilling. Sixth, sand your wood to create a smooth surface before applying any finishes. Seventh, use safety equipment like goggles and gloves to protect yourself from harm. Finally, take your time and enjoy the process of creating something beautiful and unique with your own hand. By following these tips, you can achieve great results with your woodworking projects and unlock endless inspiration. 9. Learn new techniques and skills. One of the most rewarding aspects of woodworking is the opportunity to constantly learn new techniques and skills. From basic cuts and joinery to advanced carving and shaping, there is always something to discover and master. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are countless resources available to help you expand your knowledge and improve your craft. By investing in high-quality woodworking projects and plans, you can gain access to expert guidance and instruction on a wide range of topics. From choosing the right tools and materials to mastering new techniques, these resources can help you take your woodworking skills to the next level and unlock new levels of creativity and inspiration. So why wait? Start exploring today and discover the endless possibilities of woodworking. 10. Create something beautiful and lasting. Creating something beautiful and lasting is a rewarding experience that can bring a sense of pride and satisfaction. If you're looking for inspiration for your next woodworking project, look no further than Discover Endless Inspiration, woodworking projects and plans for every skill level. This comprehensive guide offers a variety of projects and plans for woodworkers of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced craftsmen. Whether you're interested in building a simple bench or a complex piece of furniture, this guide has something for everyone. By following these detailed plans and instructions, you can create beautiful and lasting pieces that will be admired for years to come. So why not start your next woodworking project today and discover the endless inspiration that awaits you in this guide? In conclusion, woodworking is a timeless craft that can provide endless inspiration and satisfaction. With the right tools, techniques, and resources, woodworkers of all skill levels can create beautiful and functional pieces that will last a lifetime.